Okay, so here's a little shop tour. This is my milling machine. Little toolbox has all my junk in it, rotary tables and stuff. This is a new box that I just picked up. Just have a couple of tools in there. I like that gunmetal set. It's pretty cool. Have a bunch of, I have all kinds of stuff in here. Just regular crap you're gonna need when you're working on a mill. There's all the drills and impact guns. There's my new box with that's my auto tools, but sometimes those come in handy working on the mill, sometimes. I got kind of a half set of those things, but most of that is for auto. This is my other box. This is where I keep all my, mammoth ivory and good pieces of elk, and that's actually elephant ivory. And I got some beads made up, and this is where I keep just most of my everyday user stuff. I have a bunch more in the works. I just don't have it out. And then these are that's all pocket knife stuff, and that's all pocket knife stuff. And try to keep all that separate. And then there's my little sharpener and my welder, and that's an old vacuum pump I got there. But then here's the grinders. Most everything I have is just junk. But I made it myself, so it suits purpose. That's my, this one's made out of a treadmill, so you put it on run or walk or whatever you want when you're grinding a knife. But and then I move to the little metal saw there, another toolbox, and then I got one of these little mini mills. But I did a lot of work on this to get it to work right. Even and I put on a DRO, put a XYZ DRO, and then I put an air assist on this up here so that it because it was run by a spring, and that just doesn't work. Then I have one of these little lathes. They come in handy for turning little what are they, little beads and stuff like that, and and then that's my $20 drill press that I bought, $20, which is pretty good. It's a floor stander. And then these are just junk drawers full of screwdrivers and little pieces of junk that I might need to make something. Another socket set. Working on a chef's knife here. It's heat treated, but it's not cut out good. So, and that's pretty much what it is. There's my TV and my clips. I listen to that all the time. I got two little knives for sale. If anybody wants one of those EDCs or a little scalpel, that's my junk table, which I have a bunch of stuff on. So that's pretty much where I am today.